This is Vic once again with another myroadglide.com product spotlight, and today we're going to be talking about some handlebars from a company we've talked about previously in some of our blogs on our website. This company is Buky bars. As some of you guys know, we met these guys at the Long Beach motorcycle swap meet, and they showed us their full line of harley-davidson handlebars, engine guards, exhaust systems, and one of the bars in particular we fell in love with the moment we saw it. This was their Malo Handlebar. So that's the product we're going to be discussing today, and we're going to tell you why we feel this is the ultimate road glide handlebar, hands down the nicest road glide handlebar we've seen on the market. So let's get into the details and tell you a little bit about this bar, and later on we'll go ahead and give you our thoughts and end with our conclusion. The Malo Handlebar is made of 1018 cold roll US steel and is manufactured in Southern California. It's 1.5 inches in diameter and is available in 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch rise. The Malo, as with every other handlebar in Buky Bar's inventory, is available in a lifetime warranted chrome or in a black powder coat. The Malo features a meat hook at the top of the bar and is squared at its base, which is roughly 12 7/8 inches, roughly the same width as the Road Glide's front forks or Speedo tack gauge housing. The Malo is approximately 36.5 inches wide and has an 8.25 inch pullback. It's slotted and notched for throttle by wire. Another detail worth mentioning is that prior to assembly, the handlebar sections are inspected for sharp burrs, which have a tendency to slice internal wiring during installation. If found, they're filed down to a smooth finish. Now our thoughts on the bar. We love the handlebar. The chrome was absolutely flawless, and the dimensions of the Malo bar, to include its thickness and base width, fit perfectly with the Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Everything about this bar was well thought out. This includes the meat hooks at the top of the Malo, which offer just enough flair to draw people's attention, but don't necessarily make themselves the focal point of the bar. In other words, they were done tastefully. We can also appreciate the fact that Buky bars decided on leaving the bottom of the bar with just a simple 90-degree angle instead of opting for additional meat hooks at the base, which in our opinion would have been overdoing it. A slight bend in the bar is a nice touch. It's not overly dramatic or gaudy, just nice and clean. The thickness of the bar is also something we love. The Malo flows nicely with the front forks, and it gives the bike a balanced look. The bar's thickness, in addition to the burr-free insides, made internally wiring this bar a breeze. The wrist angle of the Malo was standard, so straight, and at 5'11", the 14-inch Malos had our hands at or about shoulder height on the Road Glide, which was a very comfortable riding position for us. Now our conclusion. We've looked at dozens of handlebars for the Harley-Davidson Road Glide, and the Malo by Buky bars is hands down our favorite handlebar on the market. It strikes the perfect balance between style and simplicity, and the craftsmanship behind the bar is second to none. If you're looking for a great quality handlebar that looks awesome on the Road Glide and is a breeze to internally wire, then look no further than the Malo Handlebar by Buky bars. Now earlier we mentioned that we internally wired our Malo bars. Another thing that made this internal wiring process such a breeze was the actual wiring extensions we used. The guys over at Gorilla Cables, based out of Southern California, Riverside, sent us their ultimate bagger wiring harness package. This included color-coded OEM matching wires, Molex connectors, and a highly detailed custom wiring diagram for our throttle-by-wire system. This kit completely took the guessing game out of wiring our handlebars. The Malo bars were 14 inches, and there was plenty of additional wiring left over. This is great because if for some reason you cut the wires too short, you still have plenty of wiring to solder. If you're looking for a hassle-free wiring solution for your Harley-Davidson Road Glide, look no further than Gorilla Cables' Ultimate Bagger Harness. Now, the Gorilla Cables can be found on gorillacables.com, and just click on the Touring Models button and you'll find the actual wiring kit that we used on our Road Glide. For more information on Buky bars, visit BUKYBARS. That's bukybars.com. You can also call them at 562-373-5227. That's the number for Buky bars if you want to order their Malo handlebar. And like always, thanks again for watching this product spotlight. We look forward to bringing you more great products to review. Tell all your friends about the website. And again, myroadglide.com, the spot for Harley-Davidson Road Glide enthusiasts.